Hey guys, look it's the GreenStalk. I'm so excited to unbox this puppy with you guys. Okay, so if I didn't already say, I'm Jen, and Justin bought me this GreenStalk. It's a vertical planter. This is a company out of Tennessee. It's a small family business. There's tons of videos about this on YouTube, and I just had to get it. Like, we just had to do it, and all right, here we go. Okay. See if I can see it. It's up a little bit. It's later in the evening, so we're in the kitchen. And look at that beautiful green. Awesome. So, the vertical planter instructions. So this, the one that I got, is the leaf planter. So the leaf planter is, the pockets aren't as deep on it. They're shorter pockets, so like it's mainly used for like the leafy vegetables. So you can do lettuce and kale, spinach. I've actually seen a lot of videos of people doing strawberries in these, and actually what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the top couple tiers, my strawberries, and then the bottom ones I think I'm gonna do some lettuce, because it's just hitting spring right now, so I still should be able to get away with growing a little bit of lettuce in it before it gets too hot. But look at this. Oh my gosh. There's a ton of these. Look at these. Look at that. This is actually the water. You know, showing you the deep pockets in it, and this isn't even one of them. So I've obviously not used one of these before, but I'm really excited to learn with you guys about it. I really want to get started in planting these, but let's see. Okay, so there's 3. 4, 5. 6, 7. Look at that. Oh, look, packed with care by Tom. How cool. He's the son-in-law. How cute is that? That they give you little stickers of who packs your bag. That's super cute. Okay. So I am super excited to plant in this. So before I did in-ground gardening, I started with container gardening. And now, because we just moved and we're renting a house, we actually don't own this house, it's more feasible for us to do container gardening. There are some raised beds in the back that I am gonna use, but I've always had good luck with container gardening, and I might as well, pick that right back up. So I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to go through all of this and share it with you guys. Oh look, I think these are stickers. Lettuce, kale, and cabbage. It looks like it's a cabbage sticker. And it says expert GreenStalk gardener, which I am not yet, but I want to learn right along with you guys, and we're gonna learn together. I'm gonna read all of the instructions. I need to go get some more bags of soil so I can fill these puppies up. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Rogue Homestead. Got a loud garbage truck behind me making a lot of noise. So, anyway, I'm going to be planting my GreenStalk this morning. I'm just gonna kind of put it on fast, let you guys watch me, and at the end I'll explain on the very last tier how to put these on and how I'm stacking it. So just watch and enjoy. Okay guys, so this is the GreenStalk. I put soil in it. And then over here, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a line that says fill soil to top, and there's little arrows. So I've left a little bit of a gap here because I'm just gonna take my compost and I'm gonna fill it up the rest of the way. So I put my base soil down. So this is just like my organic potting soil. And then like in the pockets, I'm adding a couple handfuls of compost and kind of bringing it into the center so that it will be to that top fill line. I'm gonna leave it just a little bit down because I'm gonna be putting plants in here. Some strawberries. So this will end up getting all the way to the top. But there, so I'm gonna fill it with the compost in the pockets. And then over here, I wanted to show you guys this. So this is the drip tray. So do you see these tiny little holes in it? There are these little holes like that. They need to be pointed at each pocket. So every time you stack, and there are these little feet, they're kind of hard to see in there. Can't really see them. Oh, you can kind of see that one. There are these little feet that sit on each of these open sections. So it stacks, it like alternates and it stacks. So then I'll put this last pot on the top and then put the watering tray on. And they say that you should water it 3 times to make sure that the water is like gone all the way through. and veg your plants. I've got my strawberry plants all separated out here, and I'm gonna do some strawberry plants on the top of the GreenStalk, and then on the bottom I'm going to probably do some root vegetables, maybe some carrots, maybe some beets, do some lettuce and stuff like that. But I'm not going to plant the seeds today. I'm just going to get my strawberries in the GreenStalk right now. So I'm going to set you back up and go fast mode. Okay, so it's pretty important here when you're planting strawberries to make sure that you don't plant the crown. So this is the strawberry crown. So you want that to be above the soil line. So all of this down, this is gonna go under the soil. All of this is gonna go under the soil and that's gonna stay on top. And it's actually really easy to plant this GreenStalk. You just kinda make a little hole, plop it in there, cover it a little bit, and then if later you feel like it needs more soil around it, I can always go back and I can add more soil. But yeah, like look at how pretty it looks. Okay, this is just a little up close of the strawberries and how they fit individually into each GreenStalk. Look, we even have a few little berries here. But I've got the crown right there above. You can see the crown. And up here, this is the waterer on top. And it's got these little fill markings to it. And then the water just goes down through here and it hits those white trays that I showed you earlier and it just waters the entire planter. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Look at Justin got me some beautiful lettuce that was already grown, so we bought it. But look at how beautifully it fills those cups. You can still reach in and grab these beautiful leaves. Awesome. And I'll do some more seedlings at the bottom so I can see the progress. But look at that. Beautiful. Okay guys, the vertical planter is planted with my strawberries. I'll go through and plant some seeds probably on the bottom here in the next day or so with some lettuce and maybe some root vegetables and see how those turn out. I'll kind of keep you guys updated on the growing of this, how it does. It's supposed to get down a little bit chilly tonight, so to prevent from frost, I'll probably just throw a sheet over it for the next couple days until this week and into next weekend. It's supposed to still be a little bit chilly, but after that I shouldn't have to do that anymore. But that is our GreenStalk. If you guys liked what I did today, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that like button. And as always, no matter where you are, I hope you have a great day.